सो भाई तुम्हारी फटती है अप्रोच करने से पहले, तुम्हारे दिमाग में थॉट्स आते हैं कि यार लोग आके मारेंगे मेरे को. So in this video we are going to cover how do you overcome your fear of approaching and how do you overcome कि यार लोग आके मारेंगे. ठीक है, तो ये वीडियो देखने के बाद that fear will completely go away from you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So hey, what's up guys? This is Preetham from the Pickup Dude. So you are fucking afraid that people are going to come and hit you. So मेरे को एक बंदे का मैसेज आता, तो this guy was not in my inner circle, so he just like you know checking out and things. तो ये बंदा बोलता है कि man I tried approaching and वो बंदी like completely she creeped out and she called like 4-5 guys and they were almost going to hit me. मैं कैसे तैसे बच निकला वहाँ से and now I'm like not going to ever approach. This is like a God sign to me that I'm not going to approach. I'm done with this thing. So भाई ये trauma बैठ जाता है. If you listen to these kind of you know incidences कि यार ये हो सकता है. So are these things like ये हो सकता है? There is a slight possibility, risk factor रहता है. But I'll tell you one thing. In my entire decade of approaching women, ये मेरे साथ कभी हुआ नहीं. And जो भी मेरे inner circle में बंदा है, उनके साथ ये कभी हुआ नहीं. So I've rarely heard any guy say कि हाँ, I'll tell you one incident जो हुआ था with these guys. So 99.999% of the times, girls won't react that badly. ठीक है, where they start screaming, oh my god, like ये बंदा मेरे को छेड़ रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होता. ठीक है. So दो बंदे थे मेरे inner circle में, they were just going and approaching. So these two guys go and approach, and बाद में the girl like calls her boyfriend or something, and that guy is like, भाई मेरी बंदी को क्यों ये कर रहा? ठीक है, उतना हुआ, ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं. These two people went. Now 99.9999% of the time, if you go and talk to someone, they are not going to react that badly. Okay, they are not. Trust me on this. So how do I know this? You go and you get some real proofs and real wins. तुम जाके खाली डायरेक्शन पूछ के आ जाओ. धीरे धीरे once you start doing this, you'll realize people don't react that badly. ये तुम्हारे दिमाग में एक win चाहिए. Until you have this win, even if I'm telling you, sitting and telling you this, कि भाई नहीं होता, तुम जाके वो पहले तो proof लो खुद के लिए कि okay, people don't actually do these kind of things. If they react badly, they are drawing in attention, right? At some point. So they just, the worst से worst क्या होगा, वो ignore करके चले जाएंगे तुम्हें. This is like the worst thing that is going to happen. And let's say God forbid कि ये चीज़ें होती है where people come and they are like क्या कर रहा? Man, if she calls her boyfriend and she's like, I'm telling you, you are a fucking man. You need to be able to handle these kind of situations. ठीक है? So on contrary, we are like, okay, everything is like rainbows and roses. Cool, nothing is bad is going to happen. Fine. What if these kind of things happen to you? You need to man up and need to take the responsibility. कि चलो, if it comes down to getting into a fight, you fight. You fight. Because you're a fucking man. You are a provider and a protector. If you can't even protect your own self, आगे जाके तुम अपने like your offsprings and your wife, how the fuck are you going to protect your thing? So make sure you have the thing in you where you are capable of fighting. I'm not saying go and fight. I'm saying you need to be capable of being able to handle things. 4 दिन भी आ रहे हैं ना, तुम्हारे में इतना होना चाहिए कि भाई मैं देख लूँगा. ठीक है, वो बुरा ये वो all fuck all those things. But you need to be like, आगे वाला बंदा भी आता है ना, he should think अच्छा मैं इसको जाकर हाथ पे लगाऊंगा, ये मेरे को बहुत पीटेगा. You need to have that thing in you. So to sum this video up, 99.999% of the times चीज़ें ऐसी खराब नहीं होती. The only way you are going to find this thing out is go and approach. Initially indirect से शुरू करो, आराम से जाके बात करो. People are not some crazy people where they'll start howling. Okay, they'll react very nicely to you. उसके बाद even if it that 0.0000001% अगर वो चीज़ें आती है, then man it's up to you, you go fight. इसको ज़्यादा शुगर कोट नहीं करते कि लोग ऐसा क्यों रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, मॉब मेंटालिटी, all that garbage. भाई जाओ अप्रोच करो, see what happens. If somehow things don't turn out in your way, learn to handle it because you are a fucking man. Take responsibility and make yourself capable कि कुछ भी हो bad हो जाएगा, you know that you are going to fight and come out of it. ठीक है, so I just want to end this video on this note. So if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up और comment करके बोलो कि have you been in this kind of situation where कि ऐसे ऐसे हो चुका है, या फिर personal experience, या फिर you have seen someone been through this. Okay, so do comment down below, and also there should be a link down to our school community. Please do join in. Again, thanks for watching this video. My name is Preetham and I will see you in the next one.